Horizontal cable railing systems and kits help your backyard views stay open and clear, allowing you to relax and enjoy your outdoor living space with little upkeep. Here at DecksDirect, we get asked often, what are the differences between these cable railing systems? Today, we're going to walk through and compare each system to ensure the perfect choice for your deck. Let's dive into the details and compare each system. All of our horizontal cable railing systems are fairly easy to install. If you're looking for the easiest installation, the Fortress H Series comes in panel systems with pre-installed cable. However, customization will be limited. KeyLink has pre-installed fittings that are ready for you to run your cable through. Skyline and Feeney offer pre-drilled posts that are ready for fitting installation and cable. The first component to any cable railing system is the posts. Corner posts are vital to the aesthetics of your deck. For a clean, simple look, a single post option is available for the KeyLink, Fortress, and Feeney cable railing systems. The Skyline system provides 2.5-inch posts that are pre-drilled, allowing easy cable installation. When installing at a corner, Skyline has this convenient angled corner kit. For those who are looking for a 42-inch railing, Skyline is not going to be an option. KeyLink features pre-drilled 3.25-inch square aluminum posts with built-in cable fittings and a unique feature allowing for easy cable runs through the post. The beveled corners allow for easy rail centering. Now let's move over to the Fortress H Series. The H Series has 3 post options: 2-inch post, 3-inch post, and a fascia mount post. This is the only horizontal cable rail that features a fascia post. Feeney DesignRail kits have pre-drilled aluminum posts that are 2 3/8-inch square and arrive ready to install. Now let's take a look at top and bottom rail options. If you're looking for a place to put your drink, Skyline, KeyLink, and Fortress have a drink rail option. Skyline features a single top rail that has a gently rounded top edge with no bottom rail. KeyLink also has a single top rail that features layered edging along with a clean, no bottom rail look. Over to the Fortress H Series, the strong square top rail provides a minimalistic yet stately perimeter look that highlights the size of your outdoor area, as well as a matching bottom rail. A round or square accent top rail is also available for the Fortress H Series. Feeney DesignRail kits offer a premium design featuring a smooth oval-shaped top rail with a minimal bottom rail. Now the last thing to look at is color options. Skyline and KeyLink is available in 3 textured finishes of black, bronze, or white. Both the Fortress H Series and Feeney DesignRail kits are both available in matte black finish. All of these horizontal cable rail systems are available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck railing design, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.